Unit 8, Day 1 homework tutorial. I'll work through the odd problems with you, but you're on your own for the evens. Alright, we're talking about geometric mean. So we're going to, number 1 wants us to find the geometric mean between 7 and 11. And we talked about it on our notes that geometric mean is the square root of the product. So in other words, it's going to equal the square root of 7 times 11, which is equal to the square root of 77. And if we grab our handy dandy calculator, the square root of 77 is about 8.8. Let's look at number 5. 6 is the geometric mean between 3 and x. So in other words, 6 is equal to the square root of 3 times x. So to solve for x, in this scenario, you're going to have to reverse the square root sign by applying the power of 2 to both sides. The 2 and the square root cancel each other out. So you're going to have 3 times x, or 3x, on the right, but on the left, you're going to have 6 squared, which is 36. And then now we need to divide both sides by 3 to get x by itself. So that means 12 is equal to x. Number 3 wants us to find the geometric mean between 4 and 17. So that's equal to 4 times 17. And to be honest, you don't even have to multiply it before you grab the calculator. Let the calculator do the multiplication for you. I hate for you to mess up. So we're going to type it as square root of 4 times 17, which is approximately 8.2. So the geometric mean is about 8.2. I say approximate, not equal to, because I had a round. Number 7 says 9 is the geometric mean between x and 12. So same thing like I did before. 9 is equal to the square root of x times 12. So I need to do the reverse of the square root sign, which is the power of 2 on both sides. So 9 squared, or 9 times 9, is 81. So that's on the left, and on the right, I'm going to have 12x. So now I need to divide 81 by 12 to get x by itself. I need my handy dandy calculator. 6.75. So 6.75 equals x. All right. So now we're going to have our 3 similar triangles, and we got to use either through the middle or the mustache method to solve for x. For number 9, X is the part in the middle, so that means we're going to use through the middle. So I'm going to start at 10. I always work from left to right. That's just how I am. So start at 10, go through the middle. I hit X, so that's one ratio, 10 to X. Set it equal to, starting at X, keep moving till I hit 6, so X over 6. And now we cross multiply. So X times X is X squared. And then 6 times 10 is 60. And now again, I'm going to have to take the square root of both sides to get X by itself. So X equals the square root of 60 which is approximately 7.7. On number 13, X is around the corner, so I'm from the longer side, so I need to know the total length, which is 15. And now I'm going to use the mustache. So I have to start at 12 because I have to go around the corner to hit X. So from 12, I go to X, so that's one ratio, 12 to X. And then I start back at X and come around to the whole side, so X over 15. Cross multiply. Again, X times X is X squared. And then 12 times 15 is 180. So X squared equals 180. Now I'll take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 180 is about 13.4. All right, for number 11, X again is around the corner, so I need the total length of the long side, and that's 20. And now I'll use the mustache. So start at 5 to get to X, so 5 over X, and then from X to the whole thing, which is 20. Now we cross multiply. X times X is X squared. Set it equal to 5 times 20, which is 100. Take the square root of both sides, and X is equal to 10. And on number 15, X is around the corner from 20. So I would combine 4 and 20 to get 24. And then use the mustache to set up my problem. So from 20, go around the corner to X. From the corner of X, go to the whole, which is 24. X times X, X squared. And then 20 times 24 is 480. And now I take the square root of both sides. About 21.9. Yes. And this concludes your tutorial for this assignment.